Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap to open Siri on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next in here, tap on touch. Then we go down to the bottom and then tap on back tap. Next in here, you could choose double tap or triple tap. I'm going to select double tap and then scroll down and then tap on Siri. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. To quickly open Siri, you can double tap at the back. This will open up Siri, or you can just do that and that will open up Siri. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.